Hello, this video is part of a series of screencasts on the Varwin platform and its components. In this screencast, we'll take a look at assembling an application and launching it. Any project on the platform can be exported or simply saved. There are two ways of exporting a project. Saving metadata, which means extracting the project sans the locations and objects, which implies that all of the components are already on the platform of destination. Or build an application. By pressing the Build button, you pack all the content into a standalone application. To launch the application, simply launch the file and a window in VR mode will appear. To export, you need a project that has at least one scene. We have two options of how we save our project. Save project metadata first. A save window pops up. Type in the project name and save the file. Second option. Press the Build an Application button. Type in the project name and press Save. The saved metadata file can be launched by clicking in the field. Choose the files and drag them here. We'll add the saved metadata file onto the platform and update its listing. The assembled application file can be opened with a double click. Let's open it.